Alright, hello again Mac users, this is Mrs. Lamphere, and for the remainder of this course you are going to need a program called Text Wrangler. So you might have it installed, I kind of doubt it, but you might have it already installed on your computer. If you do, it's an application that looks like this. If you don't, we're going to have to download it from the App Store. So by going to the App Store, you'll just do a simple search for Text Wrangler. It's a free download, and even though the course tries to walk you through using text edit, we found that really is not compatible with HTML coding. So Text Wrangler seems to be a lot more user-friendly and works a lot better. So make sure you download and install this program. And once you do that, you'll be ready to move along. So let's look at the next item up for grabs in our assignments. If we go to content, we're going to be looking at, in this video, the WebmasterRoles assignment. So for this assignment, really pretty simple. Let's go ahead and just download our instructions here. All you really have to do is do a little research on what a webmaster is, and you're going to write about 2 paragraphs. One paragraph telling me what a webmaster is, what they do, what some of their jobs, and then the next paragraph you're going to tell me which aspect of being a webmaster you think you would enjoy the most. So and then you'll have at least 2. You need to find at least 2 resources, so 2 websites that you'll copy and paste the link as your sources. And again, so your the instructions indicate for you to open text edit, but like I said, we're going to go ahead and use Text Wrangler. So we'll go ahead and open up Text Wrangler, and at this point, really pretty simple. You'll type up, like I said, I have an old, just go to File, New Text Document, and you're gonna type up 1 paragraph explaining the different roles of a webmaster. Another paragraph explaining which aspect of being a webmaster you think you would enjoy the most. Correct spelling, grammar is a must, because we're going to eventually be turning this into a web page, so you need to make sure you have at least 2, or at least good spelling and grammar. And this will be your cited source number 1. So the link of the website that you found information, you need 2 different website links of information. So just go ahead and list those below your paragraphs. Then you will file and save as, and you will want to save that in your IT Explorations Web Design. We'll go ahead and stick this in our Unit 2 folder, and we'll just call this, has to be named just like this, WebmasterRoles.txt. So it already puts the txt in for us, so we don't have to type that again. So just go ahead and hit save. And then when you submit that assignment, you should see it in your, let's go ahead and go back into Web Design, Unit 2, WebmasterRoles.txt. So this is what you will submit to the Dropbox, and then you will be done with that assignment.